If you want to turn raw data into personalized, high-quality outreach at scale, the magic columns in Leadspicker are your secret weapon. This feature allows you to instantly enrich, validate, clean, and personalize your dataset, all without leaving the platform. Start by opening the project where you want to enhance your dataset. Then click on a button, Magic Column. You'll see a menu divided into categories for easier navigation. Let's explore each category and what it does. Contact information helps you improve your email data. You can enrich emails to find missing email addresses in your dataset, or validate emails to check if existing emails are valid and active. You can also toggle auto-enrich emails to have this run automatically in the background. Company information gives you detailed company context to personalize your outreach. You can add columns like company LinkedIn description, company website summary, company size, founded year, and company website link. The more details you have, the more targeted your campaigns can be. Person information helps you get to know your leads better, with personal insights such as job position, LinkedIn About Me section, and LinkedIn profile link. These fields help you tailor your messaging with relevant context. LinkedIn Insights lets you combine LinkedIn data to personalize even further. You can enrich your dataset with the latest LinkedIn posts from the person, or fall back to the company's latest activity. It's perfect for real-time personalization based on what's trending on your lead's profile or company page. Personalization is where you unlock the full power of custom data. Inside this tab, you'll find the AI Custom column. You can write your own prompts to generate custom fields, categorize, clean, or segment your data, and create personalized variables like greetings or summaries. It's flexible, powerful, and designed to fit your unique use case. All gives you access to everything in one place. All magic columns from previous categories are here, plus additional options like cleaning messy job titles, trimming company names, and predefined prompts for quick personalization. If you're not sure where to start, this is the perfect place to explore all your options. Copy from existing project lets you reuse your best setup. Click Copy from existing project, choose one you've worked on before, and all selected magic columns will be copied and created for your current dataset automatically. It saves time and keeps your workflows consistent. Once your magic columns are created, new fields will appear in your contact table. You can now use them in your campaigns and outreach for smarter, more personalized messaging. Try it out today and let your data do the talking.